Uh, Teacher, my next question will be on how do you choose an item or the urupadi, and after choosing it, what will inspire you or motivate you for the choreography, or the choreography motivates to selection of item, or vice versa?
Both on each one, because I listen more songs. Some songs just I have a sudden some something it comes to my mind. I can choreograph this story. I can incorporate in it something like this. Some story like this. I just choose, you know. I think any piece can be danced. I think that's nothing. This one ladies cannot dance and all. And who is going to dance? Different dancers. There is a rhythm capacity. Some children will have a good rhythm and they can do the body is flexible. And some children are very good at Abhinaya. So that Abhinaya, also same thing, more of dramatic parts to the uh, giving parts, dramatic part and less rhythms. Some things like a Nataraja means we can have a rhythm, more rhythm. And there are not much stories in Nataraja, in Ananda Tandavam, Tandava aspect like that. And I like to have some Bhakti Bhavas is better, I feel, nowadays. Bhakti song. And so
Okay.
many songs we can do. We can do Sai Manava song and the
Yeah.
Bharakruti.
And okay, and when it comes to nirtya part, when we take a Jatiswaram or uh, any such swaram based musical thing, what will inspire you to do? Like, is it now required, really required, to put mixture of talams in each korvai, or we have to break it up, or what do you think? It's, of course, aesthetical beauty is first thing to come out, and what else you think is important when you take a swara patterned
Too many
items
complications
like?
is not necessary because it is good to too complications mean you'll be only concentrating on the calculations. You cannot be easy on your dance. So yeah, a small part
Okay.
in area, one part is rhythmic. Wow, like that is important. For everything, doing a connect and all not necessary. I was
Okay.
doing like that before, but he said that the children are not because not professional. They are all working and studying people. They have don't find time to practicing it. So what's the use of by calling such items? They will be different doing mistake. R item, car item, they'll be missing it. So at the end, it will be a not completed performance. So I said to to uh, choose the atmosphere, dancers, everything we can put there. Generalized
And
choreography is not so good. Generalized
one
choreography.
thing, yeah, I understand that. I know one thing is, like, for example, if we take a Jadiswaram, when it comes to the charanams, there is like it is better to go with the musicality of the swarams, right? Or we just frame one jati and then fix it in, which is much beautiful, or which is okay?
Jadiswaran already the framed work only. But you can do intercont. Suppose 8 means you can do 3 plus 2, 3, 5 plus 3, like this you can do it. You can
Okay,
break. That's
okay,
your imagination. You can do
okay.
it.
Thank you, teacher. And I now ask Lakshmi to, if she has any questions to follow.
Teacher, with the current situation, if இருக்கிற COVID situation, how can we promote the dance? What do you think would be better to improve or promote our dance art form?
Now we cannot go out and perform. We enriching the knowledge, more of learning is practicing at home is better now because we don't know when. Because outside we are going out, no gathering about the nobody will come and say. So we can, I think we can utilize the opportunity. Like I too did some courses also. I learned myself in rhythmology. I learned like this. We can learning is better now because we can take it forward in a positive way than a negative way.
Thank you, teacher. That was helpful. Yes, that's what I tell my students too. Because people nowadays, right, they want to perform as much as they could, but obviously with the current
Yes. They
economic,
can learn the practicing means next time, next year, that they can perform more. With this practices, they can. With practicing is necessary. They don't find time now. They can find time to practice.
to improve them, right? Right. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes, definitely.
I will hand it over to Sanjeev.
Mute, mute, Sanji, mute like
Anisha, you go ahead.
ah.
Seri Sanjay. Teacher, my question is, ipo the dance, as we all know and appreciate, as we know, transcends time, transcends language, continents, etc. So it is becoming a global art form. It is no longer India la, South India la, Tamil Nadu இருக்கிற art form இல்ல. உங்கள மாதிரி எத்தனையோ teachers they have made this international. So when you think of conveying our dance form to international audiences, what tips and advice do you have? And many of us, as you know, are all abroad right now. So should we think of that audience which is different from where we all grew up from?
You can take up a Greek mythology. You can take Egyptian, any mythology, anything you can take. And Macbeth, you can turn it to that, and any fairy tales you can make it a dance and do it. With the music also you can do the same. Indian music you can do, a Western music or a Hindustani music you can do it. It's only a language of expressions dances, what form it is. You can mix a little of I mean Western dance also, nothing wrong in. There's also a dance form within a rhythm. We didn't learn it, but we can do it, no problem. I don't mind mixing all the forms also. You can do folk you can do. Kurati will not do a Bharatanatyam. Kurati will do only folk only, course dance will be.
Correct.
So we can do, yes. I think other mythology, even unheard stories, like I think
Actually,
Aruna has a lot of things. We can do that. Something
Actually,
like
yeah, yesterday when we were talking with, I was talking with the teacher, we came up with all these fairy tales idea, Jataka tales,
yes.
and Panchatantra, Chandamama stories. See, I think that will really help our younger generation. It's, of course, younger generation, we have to attract them because they are getting so much of distraction. And there is no hard and fast rule that, or we can't force any of them to get into this beautiful art form. And we know for sure after all these years, this is like the blessing for us. See, even in all these really sad situations around us, and we are still able to motivate us within the four walls. So I think not everything can make this happen. So I think our children, our generation, next generation should also know this, and we have the responsibility. So when I was talking to teachers, I think we are all so able students. We should really try with all these story forms, and of course all these internet facilities. I think we can do lot of such productions, small productions, which will really attract all the new generation people, and slowly we can show them what is theory, what is dance, and anything is possible with our dance. So I think it's a immense like ocean of possibility, I could say, space of like sky possibility. I don't know, there is no limit. That is what I wanted to say.
No more Ramayana, Krishna stories. We can do any stories, anything.
Correct.
No, yeah, we can tell. See, Ramayana stories, yeah, Ramayana stories also has lot of nature description. We can take those things. Actually, I read something regarding Rama and Lakshmana are being taken by Vishwamitra when they were 7 years old, to protect them, protect the rishis from the all the asuras. So when Rama's father, Dasharatha, felt like they are all small children, how can I send them to fight with those bad people? Then Vishwamitra was very sure, and he is very like uh, very very kovamana person, very angry person. So you cannot mess with him. So he accepted without any like too much of nose, and they sent him. Actually, when Vishwamitra took him, that is the time when Rama was advised with all the Brahma Jnanam and by the Vishwamitra, and that is the time where you can see throughout the story everybody knows Vishwamitra as a very angry person and all those stuff, but you can see the matrutvam in him when Rama and Lakshmana was sleeping in the Sarayu Nadi. When he was woken up, that is when this Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva, so he's waking him up in such a beautiful melodious sloka, asking Kausalya Putra, you have to get up and you have to do your duties, in such a beautiful way. So I think those things we miss it because we keep following he is angry person, he is bad, and Kamsa is bad. There are, but it is all about the mythology. I think we all have messed with only the wrong side of the wrong people, the bad. We are kind of, there is a mix of everything in.
There are two heroines you can find in Ramayana. One is Sita and Surpanaka. Surpanaka also was in love with Rama. So this is the contrast. How Sita's love will be showed her love. Or Surpanaka showed her love. This is a passionate love. So that you can show like the two characters you can do in Ramayana. Two characters were love with Sita and Surpanaka. You can be nobody has taken Surpanaka. So they won't show us only a Rakshasi, but she's love with the Rama. That love, how vibrant love it will be. Shameless love, shy. வெக்கமில்லை அவளுக்கு இல்லையா, வெக்கமில்லாதானே ஆசைப்படுறது. அதை வந்து காமிக்க as a woman she had the passion. அதை வந்து இப்போ காமிக்க அளவோட. That's also we can take something like that.
Yes, teacher. Actually, with all your guidance, we really wanted to proceed with all this thought process in further our.
யோசிக்க நம்ம ஒரு போட்டுட்டோம்னாக்கா people should think about it. That's the movies இருக்கு. அனான்ஸ் எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிடும், நம்ம யோசிச்சுட்டு இருப்போம் என்ன பிடித்தாம்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு. அது மாதிரி மேக் தி ஆடியன்ஸ் திங்க் அபவுட் வாட் வில் பி, வாட் ஷுட் பி அப்படின்னு அவளுக்குள்ள டிபேட் பண்ற மாதிரி தான் ஒன்று பண்ணணும். நம்மளே சொல்லிடக்கூடாது முடிவை.
We will do it. Yeah, we will do that. And yeah,
can we all join together?
No, I think I think this is an important concept, which shows that art doesn't have boundaries. It doesn't have to confine to the rigidity which was assumed for the art. I think Bharatanatyam especially was considered a fairly rigid art. I think this conversation and teacher, your guidance, and if you see all the artists around are thinking of it very differently, and I think it is our responsibility to think of that as well. With that, let me hand it over to Nitya for the next question, please.
Auntie, we are all very eager to hear from you. What is the secret of you being so fit and with so much energy?
I'm happy. Happiness. I have no regrets. Sinner regrets இருக்கும். ரெட் கலர் சாரி இல்லையே அப்படின்னு தவிர மற்ற நாட் வெரி பிக் ரிக்ரெட்ஸ். வாங்க போறோம் அப்படியே கூட ரிக்ரெட்ஸ். ஐ ஹேவ் ஆல் த பிக்சர் நிறைய படம் வச்சிருக்கேன். கட்டிக்கிற ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இல்லை, இந்த தடவை எல்லாம் ப்ரோக்ராம் இல்லாத போயிடுது. யூஎஸ் போயிருந்தாக்கா நல்ல படம் கொண்டு வச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன் நிறைய எல்லாம். யூஎஸ் போயிட்டு இருந்துருவேன் இது கோவிடால. ஜூலை வந்திருப்பேன். நான் அதை பாக்கலாம். இந்த அடுத்த வருஷம் அடுத்த படம் வரைய போறேன். ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் நிறைய அரங்கேற்ற பண்ணி வைக்கலாம். நான் வரைய போறேன். ஓகே சொல்றேன். கேன் யூஸ் ஆல் தி சாரீஸ். ரிக்ரெட் சொல்லலாமா, யோகா பண்ணுவேன். நான் ரொம்ப நிறைய ரிக்ரெட் பண்ண வாண்ட்ஸ் கிடையாது. வாண்ட்ஸ் இல்லை எனக்கு. ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி வாட் ஐ எம் டூயிங். நான் கொஞ்சம் ப்ரைடு வேற, கொஞ்சம் புத்திசாலி நான் நினைச்சுப்பேன். ஐ எம் பிரில்லியன்ட் உமன் அப்படின்னு நான் நினைச்சுருவேன். அதனால அது கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். அதனால
I think that's a lot of confidence, auntie. You have that confidence in you which keeps you going. So
yes. எல்லாம் ஒண்ணு எப்படி ஓகேமா உங்களுக்கு அப்படிலாம் அப்படி கேட்டாக்க I'm happy. As it is today, I have no regrets.
And I have heard you say a lot of times, you know, you always keep saying your health is your responsibility. You want to dance, you keep yourself fit.
Yes, yes, your responsibility.
Be able to perform and you will be able to.
யோகா என்னமோ டைம்ல பண்ணணும் கொஞ்சம். Keep health healthy-ஆ இருக்கும். Health is very important. ஏன்னா இப்போ சொல்றேன் the 40னாக்க உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் நிறைய there are many problems வர வைக்கும். So you should keep fit. Yoga, exercise, என்ன பண்ண முடியுமோ உங்களுக்கு what is best for you, doctors advise பண்ணிருப்பாங்க உங்களுக்கு.
And Auntie, we are all eager to see you perform for a small, Abhinaya.
Before that, Nitya, Sanji has a question to ask. We'll finish with that and then we'll go to that.
Teacher, dance drama production choose பண்றீங்க இல்லையா?
ஆமா.
So how do you plan all these dance drama?
முதல்ல I choose a script.
Okay.
ஸ்கிரிப்டுக்கு என்ன ஸ்கோப்னு பார்ப்பேன். ஏதாவது ரேரா இருப்பாங்க. ரேரிட்டி பண்ணிட்டு you don't reach the people-னால ப்ரோஜனம் கிடையாது. ஏன்னா because நிறைய people will take part in it. So அவங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு கூட்டம் வரும். So we have to take ராமாயணா அது கதை ஒன்று எடுத்துக்கணும். It should be more of a dancing இருக்கணும். அதில் ஒரு அழுதுண்டே ஸ்டோரி சொன்னா you don't reach it. அது சோலோவா போயிடும். So இது ஒரு dance drama mostly to engage people than we don't tell any information. Unless you are a single performer, solo performer, or the duet performer, dance drama is only like a cinema. You don't convey much about it because everybody has their one different role. So nowadays I see many dance dramas, dance plays, other students. They want to put all the children. Once in a way it's okay because we have to give up with all the children who are learning under in the school. So once in a way it's okay dance drama, like a school day you can have a dance drama and all. Big guy each one won't have a much gap. 3 or 4 persons for a chinna or skit பண்ணலாம் வேணா. ஒரு 50 பேர் வச்சு பண்ணும்போது I don't think it's effect எனக்கு தோன்றதுல இருக்கு.
Okay, next.
True. Nitya, sorry, you proceed.
Yeah. So Auntie, we are all eager to see you perform Abhinaya for a small piece, if you can, for us.
Yes, I Bob third part.
So Aruna will be singing.
Yes.
Yeah. Teacher, how about Tervil Varano?
Yes.
Muthu Tandavar, Kamas Rag.
பாடிக்காம என்ன ஸ்பீட்ல பாடுறேன்.
Okay. தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்று திரும்பி பாரானோ தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்று திரும்பி பாரானோ நடராஜன் தெருவில் வாரானோ.
6 times பாடு. 6 times.
Yes, sure. தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்று திரும்பி பாரானோ நடராஜன் தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்று திரும்பி பாரானோ நடராஜன் தெருவில் வாரானோ என்னை சற்று திரும்பி பாரானோ 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 நடராஜன் தெருவில் வாரானோ. So nice.
Very beautiful.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, Nitya, for asking
It's a
this.
great treat.
It was a pleasure.
Great birthday
Yeah,
treat.
it's a great treat for us. You are giving us.
You are giving
That's
us.
so nice. And Anusha,
அப்படியே இருக்கு.
Ama, it's been long time. Teacher, we are going not going to leave you. We will come up with lots of these kinds of ideas, and you should be helping us, please.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. And Anusha,
Feedback.
Kandipa.
Kandipa. No,
Anusha, you take over.
yeah, no. So
தூக்கமும் கண்களை தழுவுகிறதே அப்படின்னு.
True.
And I was going to say, on behalf of all of us, first of all, I want to really thank and wish our beloved Guru a very happy birthday. Age is only a number, and we are learning that from you. And we continue to hopefully live up to your expectations as students. And I thanks to Aruna Alamelu for putting this together, because this is, as teacher said, it's a milestone for all of us. Almost close to 20 years since we've all been together, that we are coming back together. And I think this is to several more decades together. That's how I'm hoping this lasts out to be. And we have a legacy that we will create for our teacher and take that forward further. So thanks to all of our teamwork, but of course definitely thanks to our Guru, without whom the common thread for all of us is not here. The last thing I wanted to say was, with this technology and everything that we have going today, we have three countries, 6 cities, I don't know, whatever is the number, different age groups that are there today together. And thanks to the opportunity to do this. But again, wishing our loving Guru a very happy birthday, to many more healthy and happy and prosperous birthdays. Hopefully this COVID is an opportunity in a blessing in disguise, which has brought us together. But we will see each other in person, and again we will continue this journey together starting today. Thank you very much.
Thank you teacher.
ரொம்ப thank you teacher. இது வந்து எங்களோட ரொம்ப நாள் ஆசை. I think it all destined to happen only today, at least today. So we are very, very happy for all this to happen, and hope to continue this even further, and with all those beautiful ideas from all of us. And we'll really truly work for this with all the other people who are all very busy still. We will devote a particular time, enough time to work on this, and then motivate ourselves and our and thank you very much to give us all this time for us, and it was a pleasure talking to you. And thank you all of you, all of you nice for all this nice get together. And we'll say a namaste to all of our people who are watching this. And Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, that is the page name, because without Guru nothing is possible. And also the motto of the page is also Shruti Sangeeta Natya Moksha Sadhanam. It has to make us happy, and it has to get radiated with all of others who are watching us. So I think we'll end with this. And Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Thank you very, very much, teacher.